Hello boys and girls, this is Henry Lucas from Brand Scenario,
and Realme has sent us yet another phone that will be launching in late of April this year.
Today we'll be unboxing and reviewing the latest Realme 6i. So let's start unboxing, shall we? Let's take a look at the phone now. The phone seems pretty lightweight,
and the color we have with us today is milk white.
Now let's switch on the phone. The dual SIM phone has a glass front and a plastic back. The 6.5-inch display is splash resistant with a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels. It operates on Android 10.0. The built-in Mediatek Helio G80 chipset effectively enhances the running performance to full speed and efficiently lowering the power consumption. The available memory options to choose from are 64GB 3GB RAM and 128GB 4GB RAM. Now let's talk about the most important feature on the phone, the main camera that stands at 48 megapixels wide, 8 megapixels 13mm ultra wide, 2 megapixels macro and 2 megapixels depth. You will be able to shoot excellent videos with recording resolutions of up to 2K quality. The selfie camera of the phone is 16 megapixels HDR and panorama, with video quality of the front camera that is 1080 pixels. Connectivity options on the phone are Wi-Fi, dual band, Wi-Fi direct, hotspot, Bluetooth. The phone comes with FM radio, a non-removable 5000 mAh battery, and a charging standard of 18 watts.
So does the Realme 6i make its cut in the mid-range phone market? Of course it does.
Stay tuned to Brand Scenario for the latest tech updates, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.